Hey guys, so I just did the unboxing for my HiDock. Unfortunately, the video did not record the entire way. That's so unfortunate. So I'll just do a quick recap. So HiDock, this is a conference call hub for your computer. My main concern was going to be if this matches my Mac color, and it looks like the gray is really like this warm gray, so it doesn't entirely match the aluminum of a Mac. The only thing that matches really is the knob. So if you guys are interested on knowing whether or not this color matches your MacBook, it does not. It kind of has this retro video game controller style, like the Super Nintendo controller. That's kind of like the color of this plastic. That's what I can compare it to. The unit feels pretty solid. If you look over here, you've got your ports. So 10 gigabit USB-C, SD card reader, micro SD card reader. You've got your 10 gigabit USB, and then you got your 5 gigabit. You've got another USB-C, and then you've got your power in and your HDMI connectors. So you get the cable and you get your power adapter. So that's what comes in the box. That and some instruction manuals, along with some cardboard boxes. So I hope if you guys are interested in seeing what comes with the box. Hopefully this video helps. I was more concerned about whether or not this would match my laptop setup, because I have a 27-inch MacBook display. Not MacBook display, it's a 2012 iDisplay or whatever, and it's again machined aluminum, and this dock doesn't match that color. So the picture kind of looks like it's metal, but it's not. It's like this Super Nintendo looking controller, plastic. It feels solid, so I'll give you guys an update on my testing, whether or not it works correctly. But yeah, for now, this is my video. Thanks guys. Talk soon. Bye bye.